Chordata. So far as cephalochordata are concerned, the striking examples are striking examples are Amphioxus, and another example is that of Branchiostoma. So this much about this step of classification of phylum Chordata. Let's have a quick revision. Phylum Chordata has been then classified into three divisions: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. We have left Vertebrata aside for the time being. Urochordata and Cephalochordata both are together called as Protochordata. Both of these animals are exclusively marine. The fundamental difference between Urochordata and Cephalochordata is that in case of Urochordata, notochord is principally embryonic. In case of Cephalochordata, notochord is persistent. It continues throughout the life. So far as Urochordata are concerned, striking examples are Eschidia, Doliolum and Salpa. So far as Cephalochordata are concerned, the striking examples are Amphioxus, Branchiostoma. Now, let us talk about division Vertebrata. Vertebrata belonging to what we call it as phylum Chordata. So, talking about Vertebrata. Beta vertebratas man chi tim chordatus yiman notochord chu convert gasan into rod-like structure tach mana vertebral column. Now this vertebral column can either be cartilaginous, ya te heki tuck urgent hundasit, or it can be bony. So fundamentally vertebrata manovas those animals where notochord. These are those animals where notochord gets converted to either cartilaginous or bony vertebral column. This is the fundamental definition of vertebrata. Besides that, vertebrata are also called craniata. Vertebrata chu doim na vanan is craniata. Because your brain is enclosed in a box. That box, once again, it can be bony, it can be cartilaginous. And that box is called as cranium. Vertebrata are also called craniata, fundamentally because their brain is enclosed into a box-like structure, and that box-like structure can be called as cranium. It is called as cranium, it can be bony, or it can be cartilaginous. But as so far as vertebrata are concerned, they have been further divided. They have been further divided on the basis of presence and absence of jaw. Depending upon the presence and absence of jaw, vertebrata are classified into two divisions. First division is called as agnatha. Vertebrata godnuk division achrismanan agnatha. Agnathas man tim vertebrates that are jawless. Human dandabur chasan present game. They do not possess any jaws. Human vertebrata chasan suctorial mouth. Means thereby dandabur absent. So consequently mouth heknum up and down movement karit game. Consequently, human chasam buti tooth mouth which has sucking action. So, those vertebrates which have vertebral column but are jawless, dandabur chin present kihin, human vertebrata chesmanan agnatha. Doim division chu vertebrata, these are called as gnathostomata. Gnathostomatas means 10 vertebrates that possess jaws. यमन वर्टेब्रेटन बाज़ाब्ते jaws छि present तिमन वर्टेब्रेटन वनो अस gnathostomaटा आछु G silent. This division is called gnathostomaटा. This division is called agnatha. Agnatha means jawless vertebrates. Leave the gnathostomaटा division aside for the time being. Beta yimnum agnatha ch further z classes. Division agnathas ch further z classes. Number first class is that of ostracoderms. Ostracoderms. या यमन इस मनन च ostracodermata. Number second class is class cyclostomata. Cyclostomata. So we are talking about vertebrata, subphylum vertebrata. Subphylum vertebrata means yet beta them organisms yuhun notochord later on convert gaise either into cartilaginous or into bony vertebral column. Yima sayim vertebrates asan chi yiman vertebratan chis doyim na vanan craniata. Craniata because yuhun brain ch housed in a bony or cartilaginous case. That bony or cartilaginous case is called cranium. So vertebrata can also be called as craniata. Now vertebrata z superclasses z divisions are banana. Number first division is agnatha. Number second division is gnathostomata. Yes, classification this is based upon the presence or absence of jaws. Agnathas means in them animals which are principally jawless. Yiman chena danvert asan ke. Gnathostomatas means in them animals yiman jaws ch present. Now talking about agnatha, these are jawless organisms. Consequently, tikaz danvert chen mouths means present kihin yihund mouth hekna up and down movement karit ke. So agnathas means yimte animals yiman chu suctorial mouth. Suctorial mouth means mouth has sucking action. Agnatha is further divided into two classes. Number first is called ostracoderms. Number second is that of cyclostomata. Let us talk a little about ostracodermata. Beta ostracodermatas mutlik thayta godnich ka yaad ye ki they are extinct. They are nowadays extinct. Yim organisms chin azkal labne yavan ke. Ostracodermata is zeminas pe present in the Carboniferous. In the Carboniferous period. Carboniferous period it is that period in the geological time scale dapan ostracoderms gay tamidok the yeli zeminas petas huge arthropods basan. Yeli abas manzas huge arthropods basan. Timan arthropods as vanan trilobites. Yimim trilobites as yimas huge arthropods. Consequently, ये कैसा यमते organisms जमीन पे अन साथ मौजूद तिमन यमन huge arthropods हूं खतर गो ostracoderms जमीन पे तम साथ बसान ये आबस मंज तम वक्त huge arthropods तिमन arthropods वन trilobites तिहंज trilobite हिंज dominance जमीन पे. Consequently, yim ostracoderms yim godnik tim vertebrates yim tम वक्त मतलब evolute गए. So ostracoderm trilobite nish बचन खतर अख adaptation करमज develop. यमन ये adaptation की यस bony skeleton यमन अंदर की गसासन fundamentally. So bony skeleton is project गमस outside the skin. That means yuhun skin was banyamut bony. Bony skin was यमन बचावन from the attacks of trilobites. Magar later on ostracoderms get extinct. इस थवो ज़ याद about Ostracodermata. Number first कथ ये कि they are presently extinct. आजकल छिन यम दुनियास मंज यवान लबन केन. Number second thing ये कि यम तम वक्त जमीनस पे बसान ये जमीनस पे huge arthropods रोजन तिमन arthropodन अस वनान trilobites. Number 3 कथ ये कि Ostracoderman hasa was bony skin. These were animals with bony skin. They possessed bony skin. Tawai chi iman manan Ostracodermata. Word ostraco refers to the bones, dermata refers to the skin. Basically, because of the presence of bony skin, they were called as Ostracodermata. The Ostracoderman मुतलिक युति याद था उनकी इमचे presently extinct organisms यम ज़मीनस पे तमसात बसान ये ज़मीनस पे huge arthropodan हिंस हुकुमराई. Besides that यम still animals यह skeleton was project गमस outwards तो यमन हुन skin was बनिमत bony. Now at the root class Cyclostomata. So let us talk about class Cyclostomata. Class division Agnatha divided into Ostracodermi. Ostracodermi, these are extinct organisms lived in the remote past. They had bony skin. Their skeleton was projected outside the what we call it as skin, and presently they are extinct. The only Agnatha that are alive even today are called as Cyclostomata. So let us try to understand the characters of Cyclostomata. Class Cyclostomata. Let us try to understand it as characters. Beta. Number first character is that all cyclostomes are marine. Nam ch sari organisms yim ch marine organisms. Number doim character chas yaad thaun ye ki basically ch yim organisms marine magar yim ch reproduction khatra migrate karan to fresh water. At the time of reproduction, Cyclostomata migrate karan to fresh water. Life chim guzaran marine habitat mans, magar at the time of reproduction, chim migrate karan to fresh water. Number next character you say Cyclostomata mutlik yaad chuthavan is that their body is streamlined. Cyclostomata means body is streamlined. Streamlined body means pikitan patakaj patabeta. Streamlined body che organism madad karan in offering least resistance inside the medium they live in. Number fourth character to be remembered is that the skin of Cyclostomata is devoid of scales. It is covered by a moist skin. Body is covered by a moist skin with abundance of mucus glands. So third important character is that skin is devoid of scales. There are no scales present in the skin. Instead, skin is very much moist because of the presence of abundance of mucus producing glands. Number next feature about Cyclostomata is that their respiration takes place by gills. They respire karan by gills. Another feature about Cyclostomata is that circulation is of closed type. Cyclostomata show closed type of circulation. They show closed type of circulation. Yet another feature is that their heart is two-chambered. They possess two-chambered heart with one auricle and one ventricle. Another feature is that kidneys are of primitive type. In case of Cyclostomata, kidneys are of primitive type. These can be pronephric kidneys. Pronephric kidneys. Primitive type of kidneys, these kidneys are called as pronephric kidneys. Beta toishu me wonmut evolution of kidney che cancer stagen mans gasa. Sari khot primitive type of kidney is called as archinephros. Archinephros khot advanced pahan kidney che pronephros. Pronephric pronephros khot advanced kidney che mesonephros. Mesonephros khot most advanced kidney che metanephric kidney. We are having metanephric kidney and Cyclostomata were the animals that possessed pronephric kidneys. Let's have a revision. We are talking about vertebrata. Vertebrata has been divided according to the presence and absence of jaws into two divisions. Number first division is called division agnatha. Agnathas mans chi yivan tim animals yiman jaws chhan present ke. Number second division is Gnathostomata. Gnathostomatas mans yim tim animals yiman jaws chh bazat point present. As throw Gnathostomata aside for the time being, we should talk about Agnatha. Agnathas mans chi godnyuk first class timan chhe wanan Ostracodermy. Ostracodermy pe kar iskat yim chin present day time mans yim animals yivan labne ke. Ostracodermy che extinct nowadays. Yim as zaminas pe basan tame waqt yeli huge arthropods zaminas pe hukumrani karan. Consequently, yim as panni bones kaitmas never kun as an adaptation to protect their body from the invasion of huge arthropods of that time, which were called as trilobites. But Ostracodermy are extinct nowadays. What are present nowadays are called as Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata are living, what we call it as, they are living vertebrates. Cyclostomata hint important characters to know. Number first important character is that Cyclostomata are exclusively marine, magar reproduction khatri migrate current to fresh water. That property is called as spawning. That phenomenon is called as spawning, or you can call it as migration. Number next character is that his body is streamlined. Number third character is that although the body is fish-like, but the body is devoid of scales. Body protection scale is present. Instead, the body covered by a moist skin. At moist sickness means abundance of mucus producing gland is present. Number third feature is respiration gasam by gills. Number next feature is circulation of closed type. Heart should two chambered, having one auricle and one ventricle. Kidneys are pronephric kidneys. They have pronephric kidneys. Reproduction is exclusively sexual. Sexes are very much separate. Sexes are separate. And development is most commonly direct. Development is direct. So these are important features of what we call it as Cyclostomata. Besides that, we should not forget the most important feature of Cyclostomata, that all Cyclostomata are devoid of jaws and instead they possess a suctorial mouth. Such a mouth which has the capability of suction, which has sucking activity. Besides that, we should not forget that these are the only living agnatha, only living organisms which are jawless. Now, the examples of Cyclostomata, there are two important examples to be remembered. Number first example is Petromyzon. Petromyzon. Petromyzon is also called a lamprey. It is also called a lamprey in the common sense. And another example is Myxine. Myxine. Myxine is also called as hagfish. So let us have a quick revision. Ascavouchas. Beta, we talked about vertebrata. Vertebrata are those organisms that possess vertebral column whose notochord gets converted into cartilaginous or bony vertebral column. Vertebrata are also called craniata. They have been divided into two divisions depending upon the presence or absence of jaws, agnatha and gnathostomata. Agnatha are jawless vertebrates. Yim jawless vertebrates chi lihaza chi yiman sartorial mouth. Yiman chak extinct class that chase vana ostracodermy. The akui class living timan chase vana cyclostomata. Cyclostomata important characters chase note karing. Yim basically marine organisms magar reproduction khatir migrate karan to fresh water. Number second feature that body is streamlined. Although the body is fish-like, but skin is devoid of scales. Skin is instead covered by abundance of mucus-producing glands. Respiration occurs by gills. Circulation is of closer type. Heart is two-chambered. Kidneys are pronephric. Reproduction sexual. Sex is separate. And development is direct. So this much about division agnatha. Tomorrow in next lecture we will be talking about what we call it as gnathostomata. Till then, take care.